Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Just a couple really quick tips talking about these leaf catchers that people install, on their downspouts. This is a really expensive one, but do not use this. Let me show you a very simple and inexpensive way to solve this problem of leaves getting down into your system. Can you see all these trees? These trees drop leaves year round. Can you see that? They just drop all over the place. This homeowner does maintain his gutters. In other words, he cleans them very often because of the trees. So before we were going to install our 4-inch PVC, he asked, can we install these? He went to Lowe's or Home Depot and he bought these things. And you've heard me talk about these things so many times. Do not use this type of a product at the end of your downspout. It will simply just back up and create so many problems. You can see how that attaches there. Well, the problem here is that leaves get stuck under those little fingers and it'll just be packed full. Very difficult to clean it. It will overflow constantly. And you'll be out here after every rain cleaning out that little device, whatever you want to call it. So there's a really great little product and it's called a downspout bulb. Have you ever seen these? It's a wire mesh and you simply stick it down in the downspout. This will keep those leaves from coming and getting into your system better than anything else. Yes, you have to maintain your gutters, but that's a given. This bulb slides right down in the downspout and it will keep the leaves and all the shingle material as well from getting into that system. Even if you run PVC pipe, you're going to have problems. Doesn't matter if it's PVC or corrugated, leaves and debris will build up in that line over time and it's going to need to be cleaned. These are givens. These are maintenance things. But that's a little tip I could give you today. Real simple. Do not use this product. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drainage reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. So here's an NDS catch basin installed under the downspout. You tell me, what is the problem with this? Can you see? Let's take a look. We'll put this together and you take